Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a header on only certain pages in Word. Okay, let's get into it, guys. I have prepared my document in my Microsoft Word, and I'm going to put a header only on this page. First of all, I'm going to go to my first page, and I'm going to insert page break. We can go to the layout and then select breaks, and you can click on next page. Okay, and after that, we're going to apply header or put header on our document. We can go to the insert, select header, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay, then you can click on this option, link to previews. We're going to disable it, and you can delete the header like this and close the header and footer. And as you can see, guys, that the header only put on this page. Alright guys, and that's all the way to put a header on only certain pages in Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.